Over the last couple of weeks, I have been spring cleaning and purging like no other. I have a feeling many of you at home have been doing the same thing. Unfortunately, where we take our donations, well, that's just going to have to wait. We're so happy to talk via FaceTime to our friends over at MERS Goodwill, specifically Christy Lance, who is the Senior Vice President of Retail from MERS Goodwill. Christy, let's get right into it. Goodwill, like so many other businesses, is closed right now.
We are. So all the stores and donation centers are currently closed.
As we do this spring cleaning and we go through our homes, make those donation boxes, just keep them in the garage or the basement for a couple weeks longer.
That's exactly right. And we're going to really need those donations when we open back up. Currently, all of our locations are closed and our employees are furloughed. So when it's time to open back up, we're going to need all of those things. Right now, when people donate, they're dropping off to a closed facility, and those donations are susceptible to theft and the weather. And we have just a handful of people that are trying to keep it cleaned up, but it's just not ideal.
So hold off for now. And you mentioned your employees. While some are furloughed, you are doing everything you can to continue to help them during this very trying time.
The employees that are furloughed, they were given an assistance check up to $1,000 based on the hours worked from the beginning of the year. And in addition to that, we are doing everything we can to keep them with their health insurance. So, our employees are the lifeblood of the agency, so they're very important to us, and we're doing what we can to keep them
Mhm.
as whole as possible.
And you do amazing things too over at Goodwill. It's not just this retail side. You help 30,000 individuals with college help and high school help, right?
Absolutely. So we have the four Excel centers. That's the adult high school. They're going electronically now with all this going on, so that's pretty exciting. In addition to that, all over the St. Louis area, we have job training services. So we'll want to jump right back into that when all this is over with as well.
Christy, we appreciate it. We appreciate you and Goodwill. And once Goodwill does reopen and the baseball season actually starts, they're going to have some really cool Cardinals promotions too. For more information about MERS Goodwill, check them out. The phone number is 314-241-3464, or find them on the web at mersgoodwill.org.
Thank you.